What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to CPM 2. If you're looking to collect all 22 green boxes in City 1, you've come to the right place. In this guide, I'll take you through every location in a simple, easy-to-follow route, so you can collect every box without wasting time or missing any along the way. Let's dive in. And that's every green box in City 1 collected, 22 out of 22 complete. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more CPM 2 guides, and let me know in the comments which city you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.